This is a review of the JoncAye Pickleball Set. It has 2 paddles, 4 balls, 2 inside, 2 outside, and then also we have some extra grip tape. So that is a really good kit because you will actually need to use the extra tape at some point if you play often enough. As you can see here, it's got a really good grip, very stylish, and it is a graphite paddle, which is nice because it does give you a little more control over the ball. This is for a beginner to intermediate. Again, we've used these several times now, and like I said, it's a carrying case that comes with it, as well as the 2 paddles and the 4 balls you see here. There is actually a ball bag in there as a mesh ball bag, but I usually just throw them into my bag, as you can see. I hope you find this review helpful. Thank you.